Okay, so
I do house cleaning for living, so
living.
now I'm cleaning 2 houses a day.
Okay, and tell me, just a week ago when she came in, I can hardly finish one house.
One house. I needed. I was
Could
needing help.
hardly finish one house. That's what she
I
said.
actually was not working for 2 weeks. Sandra, and I'm 43.
And what do you do for work?
I came back because I have a really bad pain on my lower back
And how long?
for 6 months or more.
6 months or more?
Yes.
And it's been really bad for the last 4 weeks,
Yes.
right? And tell them how it started 4 weeks ago. Your dumb-ass husband.
I just went to help my husband to lift some lumber, and then
Fence lumber. Really thin, really light, right? It should have been nothing, but it was a lot.
I went to one doctor to see one doctor. Then I not believe the doctor, so I went to see another doctor.
What did they tell you?
So both of them told me that it's a sciatic nerve that I had pain.
What did they do to treat you?
Pardon?
What did they do to treat you?
Just pills, like pain pills, and they just give me pain pills and muscle relaxation. Yeah.
Guess where she lives?
Just right across the street. Just right across this office. So, and I decided to come back here with the doctor because I lost him. I'm not lost my job, but
She's losing income because she's not working as much.
Yes, yeah.
Exactly. So,
Yes.
you know, when it hurts the pocketbook, then you come see Dr. Thayer. Yeah, I get it. Okay, so anyways, anything else? You have, we went over, had low back pain. How's your headaches? You have headaches all the time right now too, right? Every day,
yeah,
every day.
my left, my left.
But every day,
side.
right?
Yes.
Yes, and then she has ring in the ear, switch back and forth. Her sleep sucks, right? Sleep's terrible. Or she thinks it's okay, but it sucks.
Oh, my arms are horrible. I mean, the pain on my arms every night.
Carpal tunnel.
The middle. Yes.
Both arms. Left is worse than right, correct?
Yes.
Gotcha. And her feet hurt. Plantar fasciitis.
Now it's hurting me a lot.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
she's got it going on, and so it takes the weight of the entire world to get her back in here across the street.
Here we have a 7mm left imbalance and left TMJ. In this view we have massive constipation and 7-degree scoliosis. Here we have a high reverse neck curve and significant atlas wear. And on this one we have a slight spondylolisthesis at L5 with arthritis.
So Sandra, why don't you tell us today's 2 days later? And so you came in with horrible back pain for the last month. All those drugs and alcohol and marijuana didn't help you. I know she doesn't smoke much, she doesn't do any of that kind of stuff. But she is. But you took all those medications from the doctor they prescribed to you,
Yes.
and they didn't help. And so, how'd you do the last 2 days?
Okay, so the day that I came here, so I was sleeping pretty well at night. So next day I wake up less tired with less pain, like 50% less pain on my back. So as I said, so before I couldn't sit on my bed. So now I can sit on my bed.
Mm-hmm. And how many treatments have you had?
1.
And what did I treat?
My neck.
Not anything else, right? Even though you begged me to treat everything else. She go, can't you just do everything else? Can't you adjust everything else?
Yeah, because I was feeling so tired of my body.
Exactly, but the whole thing feels better, right? So sleep better. Your hands still numb though, right? Hands are still numb?
Yeah,
Gotcha. How about your feet?
No, not that much.
Remember you came in with plantar fasciitis, so you had pain in your bottom of your feet.
Yes.
Yeah, and your knees? What I really want to
No.
know is, yesterday, did you work yesterday?
Yes.
And how did the work go? Were you less tired? Were you more energetic? Did you have pain at work? And what was work like differently?
Yeah, I was working a little bit more fast because now I can bend it easily.
Yeah. But you say that you get really tired by 3 o'clock or something like that. How was the fatigue in the afternoon?
Oh yeah, yes. No, I used to have very tired legs in the afternoon when I got home.
Mm-hmm.
But yesterday I was
Better, right? Different.
better. Yes.
Gotcha. I'm not putting words in her mouth. I just know this stuff for a fact that this stuff happens, and she doesn't know how she really feels because it's so much information.
Yeah.
Bottom line is she slept better and she had less back pain.
Yes.
Perfect. And
I can feel my eyes. So before I had like a bump.
What
I
do you
mean,
mean
you can see like this area.
yeah. What
it
do you
was
mean?
like
Oh, puffy.
puffy. Now it's so much better now.
Yeah. So I made you look younger, you're saying?
I don't know, but but my puffy eyes, I mean, it's totally different now.
Yeah. And how many days has it been? 2 days.
Yes.
One adjustment. So you're saying that my chiropractic adjustment can make you look younger. I like that. I'm going to sell that. That's a good one. So you pass this video on to anybody who wants to look younger, get adjusted, and you'll have less puffy eyes.
Yeah, so I can see my eyes. This morning I just noticed that my eyes are less puffy than the days before.
Shit, I don't know how to do better than that. You know, vanity is the best thing to sell on the internet, so you look better. Even though she tells me she's going to dress up for me for these videos, but she's like, I'm going to work. Let me pull my hair back. I look terrible.
I didn't know that I'm going to make a video.
Yeah. That's what her husband said. Okay.
I'm working today.
Yeah.
I will call him to come. I will say that you're free now.
Yeah. And so,
He say, how much? And I say, 3 something. I say, that much? And I say, you're spending more money. I mean, when you have to go to the doctor to get a shot for pain or something, I think he has sciatic nerve too problems.
yeah.
Because his dad had the same problem.
Yeah.
And
She's talking about her husband who's too chicken to come in.
yeah.
And again, he lives across the street.
Yeah.
But yeah, he'll spend the money on going to a medical doctor, have some shot that doesn't work.
I didn't know you were recording that.
Why? Truth is truth, that's all. Good.
Yeah.
Truth is truth. Good. Her neck feels so much better already. So much more relaxed.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
You okay?
I can feel like my shoulders like so relaxed after that.
What I love, guys, I've treated her sister for years too, and they live both across the street, and they both laugh the same way a little bit. They have the same like laugh. When I get her on camera, you'll see. Actually, the video I'll attach her sister's video to the end of this.
When you crack my left side, I can feel like you pull a nerve or something on my
Right side.
on my right side. Yeah.
The nerves in your neck are all attached to your spine, right? And so when I adjust it and the pressure in there is relieved, you'll feel instant change in your nerves. That's what the power of this chiropractic is.
Yeah, I can't believe how the sciatic nerve pain it's like
Better because
80% better than before.
And all I did was treat your neck. And your feet feel better. And your knees feel better.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, Sandra. Again, I've told you this many times in the other videos. She's a terrible patient. No phone call, no follow through with proper treatment. Yet she walks in today and says, "Oh, can you see me?" Okay. Anyways, this is a third visit, right? It'll be your third time. And so tell them what you told me when you walked in, that it's all my fault for what?
Because I came I just have 2 visits before today, and since the first visit, so I'm start walking pretty well after my horrible sciatic pain. So after the second visit, I'm start working a lot. So now I'm cleaning, because I do house cleaning for living. So now I'm cleaning 2 houses a day.
Okay, and tell me, just a week ago when she came in, I can hardly finish one house.
One house. I needed. I was needing help.
Hardly finish one house. That's what
I
you said.
actually was not working for 2 weeks.
Yeah, but you said that trying to finish a house was difficult.
Oh yeah, because it was so hard to bend it, to lift, like heavy things, like a bucket or something, or mop. I mean, it was really hard to mop a floor. So now I can do that.
So she comes in and blames me for not being here. She goes, "It's all your fault I'm not here because I'm working so much more."
Yeah.
So I always say this, and I'll get this on camera to get her started because she has to get to work, that you can't afford not to be here. And the reason I say that is because people who are in pain work slower, so you make less money. And so as soon as you start to feel better, your whole world opens up again and you become more normal.
Oh, yes.
More normal. That's all I really want to get on there. And so you can make more money by getting treated. So putting
I
it off,
can
not
get
going
more
to
money, so I have more energy to cook at night because
Who cares about your husband? But anyways, you can make more
my
money.
kids. No, that's real. So before,
That's
I mean, the past 4 weeks, I was so exhausted in the afternoon because my pain.
Yeah.
So my husband was buying food. Spending more money because he has to buy food almost every day for my kids and us.
Because you're just too tired to cook.
Yes.
Now, what about sleep? How are you sleeping?
I'm sleeping pretty well, so he still need to treat my arm.
Yeah, she still has some
numbs.
carpal tunnel in the hand and
Yes.
stuff like that. And
Yeah.
what have I treated on you? What's the only thing I've treated?
Just my neck.
Just your neck.
Twice.
Gotcha. Right, exactly.
Yes.
So even though she begged me to adjust everything else, only her neck, and this is how much better she feels.
Yes.
Okay, let's get adjusted. She's talking about her
Oh,
husband.
I'm sorry. Sorry, didn't know you coming on.
Her husband lives across the street, by the way, and is in lots of pain, sees his wife get better, yet he doesn't want to come over. Wow. You stopped taking the medication too?
I'm stopped taking it because I don't like medicine.
Yeah, but you stopped taking what they gave you? Yeah, good.
After I came with you, I don't take any more pills
Good.
because I hate pills.
Yeah.